In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete properties in Notion. If you've ever cleaned up a database and wondered how to safely remove a column you no longer need, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do and what to watch out for. A quick heads up before we start. Deleting a property removes that entire column and its data from the database, so make sure you truly don't need it. If you're unsure, consider reviewing your data first or making a quick copy of the page for your own peace of mind. First, head over to notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click login and enter your credentials. Once you're in, select the workspace you want to work on. This ensures you're editing the correct set of pages and databases, especially if you belong to multiple workspaces. Next, navigate to the page where your database is located. This could be a table, board, list, calendar, or timeline. Any database view works. Open that page so you can see the database clearly. Find the property you want to delete. In a table, this will be the column header at the top. In a board or other view, you'll usually see property controls in the view options, but the property name is still accessible from the database header area. Click the property name of the property you want to delete. This click opens a drop-down menu with settings for that specific property type and how it's displayed. In the drop-down menu that appears, scroll to the very bottom and click Delete Property. Notion adds this option at the end so you don't click it by accident. When you do, a confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed, since this action removes the property and its data from all views of the database. If you're certain, click Delete to confirm. A couple of useful notes. You can't delete the primary title property in a database, since Notion requires one main field. Also, once you delete a property, it's removed from every view that uses that database, not just the one you're looking at. If you change your mind immediately, you can usually use undo right away. Otherwise, you may be able to recover from page history, depending on your plan and settings. That's it. You've deleted a property in Notion cleanly and confidently. If this was helpful and you want more practical Notion tips, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.